We're back for the last part here. We are going to look at opinion piece number 2. As soon as you're done writing opinion piece number 2, you're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to show you this again. Opinion piece number 2. What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? As soon as you're done, you're going to do the same thing. Write at least one strength and one weakness for this opinion piece. Then respond to at least one other person's comments with any of these choices. Make a connection, ask a question, agree with their opinion. You can use a sentence starter, I agree with you because, or disagree with their opinion. I disagree with you because. So you can, so you're going to be doing that right after. Just think about that as I'm reading this one. So opinion piece number 2. I would like more nonfiction books in our classroom library. One reason is because it can help us think of characters for our fairy tales. For example, I researched octopus last year, and I made a book called The Little Crabs, and I made the octopus bad because octopus eat crabs and they're selfish. Another reason is I love to research animals like dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures, like the Smilodon and other Ice Age animals. For example, when I study rhinoceroses, I said rhinos have been living since the Ice Age. One last reason, it helps us get smarter. For example, I used to not know about rhinos. Now I know a lot of things about rhinos. I hope you agree to this argument about getting more nonfiction books. So you can go back and you can actually you can reread this if you want to on your own because it's right there, or you can listen to me read it again. But then I'm just going to think about what are the strengths and weaknesses. So remember, when you open this discussion board up, opinion piece number 2, what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses? Touch that. You can read that again if you need to, but hit the discussion button. Then in the top right corner, hit the blue plus sign. And I'm going to write 1 strength is it grabbed my attention because I love books too. I'm going to reread that. 1 strength is it grabbed my attention because I love books too. 1 weakness is that I wanted more details for the reasons. And that's just kind of, those are both my opinions. But 1 weakness is that I wanted more details for the reasons. But those are my opinions about the strengths and weaknesses. You can agree or disagree with my opinions, but you could write your own. Remember, after you are done writing your 1 strength and your 1 weakness, then remember to go back and comment on somebody else's comments. So you can make a connection to their strength and weakness, ask a question about their strength and weakness, agree with their opinion, agree with you because, or you can disagree with their opinion. I disagree with you because. Then the last part that we're doing for today is just to get you thinking about more opinion piece. So the question here says, which person will you write your opinion piece about later this week? So you're going to just open up this discussion board. You don't have to make your final decision today, but who is at least one person you think is very important in history? You will write about this person later this week for an opinion writing piece. You can choose more than one person if you want. So I'm just going to hit the discussion button. Then in the top right corner, I'm going to hit the blue button. And one of the people I've been thinking about is doing Ben Franklin. So that might be a person I might write. And so I'm just going to write the person's name in the green check mark. And then I'm done. And then we can kind of see different ideas as the day goes. But have fun with this today, everybody. Awesome work.